Welcome back, everybody. If you're here, then you clearly got nothing else to do, and you are desperate to be entertained by someone who can't be entertaining. So, let's get started. Vault 13. Yeah, you know what that is, right? Probably, maybe not, because like no one plays the old games anymore. But so Vault 13, yeah, Fallout 1. Was, so we got some broken water chips, and Fallout 2 we need a geck. Yeah, alright, so this would be hard to recreate. I mean, you could just use my last one that I did for the Vault 101 thing with here's how I made mine. I had this like onesie thing bought a few years back for Fallout 4. Yeah, 4. It was Vault 101. And for the longest time, it was massive, and it was still massive until I sized it down by a great deal. And, yeah, so, here we go. That way I didn't have to go and make anything. This was, like, the first one that I made. Or not made, but I guess modified, whatever. So, yeah, I glued some straps on here, and in places like holster stuff. Here's the clip. There's this, which is like the cord that was like Fallout 4 style, because I wanted to do that. Here it is going down the back. Here's the 13, and it goes around the back. Here it connects down at the bottom. This is very hot material, so like prepare to sweat your ass off in this. All right, it's a fair warning. It's an honest warning. So yeah, I got this little thing right here. Yeah, see. It took me several tries to get like the 13 right, but I did it eventually. I added some blood stains. You can see all these random little things along it. This looks fine. All right, so there you go. You want some accessories? All right, here you go. Here's Vault 13 Canteen. You want that? Go watch the video on it. All right, I'm not gonna explain it. Number 2, here's the Pip-Boy 2000 that I made. Once again, alright, so here's what I use as the base. I got VHS tape, because it's nice, big, it's solid. It's a good item to use as the base. Took another old cell phone, and this one has a crack in it from where I dropped it once, like a dumbass, so I figured I could use it for that. Took a bunch of different bolts and all kinds of different stuff. Bolts, screws, nuts, anything like that. For the back and the handle, or just what I hold on to, that is part of an old belt that was broken. So, it's nice and comfortable to hold. What I did, this piece right here, also from a belt, right there. But the phone, it still works. Yeah, it's dead right now, but it works, and I have it open to where I can still plug in a headphone and still charge at the same time. This is, this right here. I've got all this different stuff. I mean, it's not completely accurate. I mean, I'm sure it's the screen is like, it's like that. But who gives a shit? We're going for something that works. Practicality. So, there you go. You got all that. You want to wear shoes? Fine. Here, just use, like, black pair of Converse or whatever. Or use the boots that I've used on all the Fallout stuff. The Dark Knight Rises replica boots, because they work. They work with my Vault 101. They work with my Vault 111. They work with my NCR thing, which that'll probably be the next thing. But no one's gonna watch it because I make shit content. But whatever. All right, so you enjoy this? Probably not. So like, share, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want. I'm out.